In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your mileage in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record your business trips so they're organized for taxes, reimbursements, and reporting. First, open your web browser and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Using a browser instead of the mobile app ensures you have access to the full mileage screen laid out the way we're going to use it here. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all the menus are available. Next, look for the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Find the option labeled Expenses and click it. This is where QuickBooks groups everything related to spending, including bills, receipts, and mileage. After the Expenses page opens, you'll see a few tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Mileage. This takes you to the dedicated mileage tracking area, where all of your current and past trips will be listed. Now, to add a new trip, look for the button that says Add Trip and click it. This opens a form where you'll enter all the key details for that specific drive. Taking a moment to fill this out accurately will save you time later and help support your records if you're ever audited. Start by entering the trip date. Make sure it's the actual date you drove, not the date you're entering it. Then, fill in your start and end points. You can use addresses, cities, or locations that clearly identify where you began and where you finished the trip. Next, enter the distance for the trip. If QuickBooks doesn't automatically calculate it, you can use a map tool or your odometer reading to get the total miles or kilometers driven. In the business purpose field, describe why this trip was for business. Keep it clear and specific, like client meeting, supplies pickup, or site visit. A short explanation makes it easy for you and your accountant to understand later. After that, choose the vehicle you used from the vehicle dropdown. If you've already set up vehicles in QuickBooks, you'll see them here. Pick the one that matches this trip so your mileage is tied to the correct car or truck. Once all the fields look good, click the Save button. Your trip will now appear in the mileage list, and it will be included in your mileage totals and any reports you run in QuickBooks Online.